let's move on from that heated debate and tell you about the other big headline that came in from the Karnataka Assembly, which is after the stampede that had broken out in Bengaluru, which was at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. I'm sure you remember it very well. It had happened right after the Royal Challengers Bangalore had won the IPL. Now, after that stampede, the Karnataka government, in a bid, they say, to ensure that doesn't happen again, kicked off the Karnataka Crowd Control Bill. The reason they went ahead and did that is because they say this will ensure regulations are put in place to avoid any stampede-like situation. Now, while this bill was taken up, you also had Chief Minister Siddaramaiah speaking at the floor of the Assembly, speaking about accountability, about taking responsibility, because mind you, there's been a whole lot of criticism that's come the Chief Minister's way, that's come the Deputy Chief Minister's way and the government's for not taking responsibility for what had happened at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Let's get you all of those reactions and exactly what the Karnataka Chief Minister had said in the Assembly.
CM says it is not my fault, it is not government fault, it is fault of police. I think police is different, government is different. No common sense for this government. I condemn this. I say on this issue, stampede in Bangalore cricket stadium, main culprit is Mr. Siddaramaiah and others.
The truth is, if anybody is accused in the Chinnaswamy stampede episode, it is Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself. D.K. Shivakumar is accused in this stampede episode. But today, Chief Minister, who failed to take up the responsibility, is blaming other agencies and police officials. If government is not responsible, why did Govindraj his resignation was taken? It is a failure of the Chief Minister, not the failure of any agencies, according to me.